Hello.
Ah.
What are you doing? Goo. What are you doing? Are you dancing? Are you dancing? Boo.
Mental disorder has no respect for class or education. Daniel was a 14-year-old boy with dementia.
Hello.
They're classified as vulnerable
Hi.
adults, and only those who have capacity
Hi.
to give consent have been allowed to talk to us. Their faces have been blurred to protect their identities.
Da 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 da. Da 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 da. What? Logan. What are you doing? What? Are you happy boy today? Happy, happy, happy. Booga booga boo. Logan.
Alex arrived at Broadmoor
What?
7 months
What?
ago.
What?
He was serving a life sentence in a dedicated prison unit for highly dangerous prisoners. They could no now on an admission board, he's been diagnosed with
talking?
mental illness and personality disorder and put on medication. One of his symptoms is auditory hallucinations. He hears voices.
What?
Close family members know that obviously where we were, but if we're in a normal mainstream, then you probably say you work in a hospital or something. Don't really talk about the place. As soon as you said that you weren't in Broadmoor, you just spend the whole of the day or the afternoon with a barrage of questions about the place. So it's just easy to say you work for the NHS. They're told not to share personal information with the patients either, and to leave their private lives along with their possessions at the front door. Broadmoor's most notorious patients like Peter Sutcliffe and David Thurston have chosen not to participate. But many of the men here have been front page news and are vilified by society. This is the first time they've been allowed to tell their stories.
Anything from taking hostages, multiple hostage taking, stabbings, multiple assaults, violent assaults, fire setting off. I set a fire in a hospital, psychiatric hospital, first one I ever went to.
Hospital. Over its 150-year history, it's been a secretive and mysterious institution. Staff are under strict instructions not to discuss patients outside the hospital walls.